Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If you are new here, thank you so much for checking us out. My name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and that's kind of how everything got started. I have Parkinson's syndrome, and I kind of wanted to show everybody that just because you have a couple challenges doesn't mean that you have to give up everything that you love. And also to show that makeup is for everybody, not just the 21-year-old beauty queen. So today I am going to review the Huda Beauty Obsessions Precious Stones Collection Topaz Obsessions. There are 5 of these. They are limited edition. So you have the topaz, you have ruby, amethyst, sapphire, and emerald. And so I got the topaz ones because I knew that I would get a lot of use out of this one, and I wasn't so sure about the other. So you get a little mirror in here. They're just like the other Obsessions palettes, and this is the topaz one. Absolutely beautiful. $27. You get 9 shades. So we're going to swatch them, and then I'm going to do a look with them. I haven't even put my fingers in here to swatch them yet. So I am going to start with the top row here and go left to right. I don't have any shade names, so I am just going to do all 3 of the top row. There we go. So pretty. So you've got 2 mattes. The one in the center is a metallic. Then we're going to have a metallic, a matte, and a shimmer. In the second row, oh my gosh, that is beautiful. There we go, there's that. And then the third row, we have 2 mattes and a metallic. This looks like a matte brown. Yeah, that's very pretty. I'm losing a space on my arm, running out of space. There we go. So this is the Huda Beauty Obsessions Precious Stones Collection Topaz. I bought this. I'm going to get a lot of use out of this because I love warm shades. But the fall colors, oh, absolutely perfect for fall. I am going to incorporate another eyeshadow into this just as a matte brow bone. So I am going to use Brulee from MAC. And I'm going to do this a little differently than the other eyeshadow tutorials that I've done. So don't think that there's only one way to do eyeshadow. There's tons of different ways. Nothing, you know, there's no wrong way really to do makeup. It's what you like and what you feel good in. So I'm going to take that Brulee and I'm going to put it under my brow bone, but I'm going to drag it down a little bit more. I do have eyeshadow primer on already. So I'm just going to put this almost all the way to the crease, actually. Make sure I get good right there. I just like something light under the brow bone to really kick it off. A lot of times I'll use a shimmer. Today I'm going to use a matte. I don't want to compete with the metallics. Okay, let's dig into this. Let's see how it does. So I'm going to take a blender brush, and why don't we dip into this lighter pumpkin shade here. And I'm going to use this as a transition, and I am going to bring it all the way in. Ooh, these are very pigmented. Okay. Just going to put that in the crease. You may have to buff this out, blend this out a little bit. It is very pigmented. Very pretty. Take a little bit. Make sure I get the powder here. So this is our first transition crease color. Bring it all the way in. I'm not going to bring it all the way up. And definitely blend these. Wow, that's very pigmented. Beautiful. Make sure I get it here. And then I'm going to go over the edge of that with the center color, this lighter peachy color, same brush, but I am going to go over the edge of that in a little bit higher here, just to kind of blend that edge out, soften it up. Don't want any harsh lines. There we go. Also gives a nice gradient. Like that. See, that's a nice blended gradient going from the pumpkin color up to the brulee. All right. I am going to take a smaller blending brush and I am going to go into this darker one right here, and I am going to put that in the outer V right here, just to deepen that up and bring it about halfway in your crease. Like I said, these are very pigmented, so blend, blend, blend. And ended up more than halfway, but you know what, that's okay. I'd rather go more than halfway than have a harsh line. I'm really excited. The holiday stuff is coming out. I've already ordered some. Have you guys ordered any yet? I've got some on the way. Super excited. I'll have them by the time this posts, I do believe. Alright, I'm pretty happy with that for now. I'm going to go back in to that center shade just with a blending brush and kind of go over all of this just to blend it together. Normally I wouldn't do that because I don't want to lose the pigmentation, but just to make it blend well. Oh, see, that's nice. Very pretty. Okay, I'm going to take just a flat brush and I am going to go into this darker metallic at the top, and I am going to put that right in the center here and blend it out towards the edge, but not towards the middle. I'm going to use the mirror in here. if you want it more striking, use your finger or wet your brush. And then get it all the way up to the crease. I'm just building it up and then patting it over the edge there. The same with the other side. Patting it over to overlap that, what we put on the outer third. Might actually, you know what? Let's take our finger and just top that off just to intensify it a little bit. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I gotta remember that there's a video camera there. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, see, that intensified it nicely. Alright, let's do that with the other side. I think that would probably be the best way to put these on. That's what I get for not playing with it before I did the video. These are gorgeous metallics. Oh my gosh. They are limited edition, so oh, go ahead and get those. That is very pretty. Now I'm going to take a brush and go into, I don't think my finger would really fit in here. So going from the the inner corner into the first shade, the first metallic shade. I'm doing great this morning. The first metallic shade that we set down, I'm going to go into this lightest color in the center row, right there. Oh my gosh, I'm doing great this morning. Let's put that. Oh, this is very nice, even with a dry brush. And just overlap it just a little bit. So like how we had the gradient going up and down, I'm doing a gradient going left to right. Build that up a little bit. Just pat it over the other one to blend it together. Putting out very nicely. I'm not sure if this is considered holiday or if it's just limited edition. I just thought it was limited edition. That's why I didn't include it in the holiday stash. Alright, I am done with the upper eye lid. Now I'm going to go underneath with this, the darkest pumpkin color here, with a smudger brush. And I am just going to smudge that underneath the lower lashes. Slide that just a little bit. There we go. Beautimous. And I am going to take just a liquid black, plain liquid black eyeliner, and I'm just going to line the top. I'm not going to make a wing. I'm just going to darken up the top lid right at the lash line. This makes your lashes look fuller. You don't have to do an eyeliner. Or you can use a pencil even. I'm just using plain black. Do a close-up look here. Yeah, looks pretty good. I'm going to curl my lashes, put on my mascara, and I will be ready to go face the day. I'm going to use the NARS Climax mascara. I did a review on this, so if you're interested, check out the review. I really like it. And it's hard to beat my regular mascaras. I'm very loyal to my favorites. And yes, I do sometimes get a real big tremor where my hand jerks, and sometimes I do have to clean up a lot or start over. Let's take a Q-tip with makeup remover. Here. Bottom lashes. And that's it. That's my look. So, Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions from the Precious Stones collection. Here it is. You get 9 shades for $27. There are 5 palettes in the collection. They are limited edition and available at Sephora. I like it. The metallic shades, I kind of wish I had played with this before I went on camera, but then you wouldn't have gotten my, you know, honest first reaction out of it. But I would definitely suggest for the metallics to use your fingers, and the mattes are so pigmented, but they blended very nicely. So I gotta give this a thumbs up. I really like it. I'm gonna use this a lot this fall. So that is it for today. We are a new channel, so if you please spread the word, let people know, and we can build the makeup community into a really great, positive, fun place to just talk about makeup. So I will talk to you guys down in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.